Hola chicos, buenos días. Señora Ana está aquí. First of all, I just want to say, so sorry I have not been making all of the other funny videos anymore. It's just been taking me so long. It's been like crazy trying to get everything together, but I'm going to try to do a couple more and at least tell you what happened to Pepe. So that you can have a little bit of closure and maybe once in a while use some of them. So I want to explain what exactly you're going to be doing today. So hoy es martes, es el 24 de marzo del 2020, chicos. Está nublado y hace un poco de frío hoy. And today what you're going to do, your learning target is, today I will learn about the verb tener. And I am successful when I can use the verb tener in conversation. So what you're going to do, chicos, the first thing you're going to do is print the handout that I have attached on the verb tener. You're going to print this handout, and again, if you cannot print it, it's fine. You can always just take notes directly in your libreta. All right, and then you're going to watch the video about the verb tener that is on YouTube, and you're going to complete all your notes in your libreta, okay? And so that's the first thing you're going to do. Now, if you have not finished your Microsoft form from yesterday on descriptive adjectives, then you can go ahead and complete that. That's due tomorrow. Remember, you can use your notes. Be very careful with your punctuation, not capitalization, punctuation and accent marks. Forms does not have a way of me letting you put accent marks, like putting all the accent marks right there. So you're going to have to go to Word and kind of like write them there and then copy paste them whenever you need them. And then also continue working on that listening activity on conjuguemos. One thing I do want to tell you about activities is whenever you are doing any of these activities, for example, this activity about the Kimberly or David, it's always going to keep showing up there. It lets you retake them many, many times, but it does record your grade. So do not worry about seeing them there and seeing like, oh, it's not marking my answers. It did mark them. It's just letting you do it again. And for you to check that, if you notice, you have right there your grades. So you can always go back and check what your grades were and make sure that you're happy with that. Now, chicos, I know it's kind of hard to do the activities, and I want you to kind of like relax about it because it's hard because it's the first time you're doing this, but it will get easier as we keep going through it. Try to think about the fact that Spanish is a phonetic language, so when you're listening, don't try to listen to specific words that you already know. Just kind of listen to what they said and then try to write it phonetically. It'll make your life easier. Don't over stress about this. This is not necessarily a grade, like numerical grade. If I, in the future, have to take grades, this is probably going to be a completion grade. I want you to try to do your best. I want you to at least try to pass this. But I don't want you to spend 4 hours on this. These are like a minute and a half videos. This should not be taking you that long. I'm giving you right now 1 a week until you kind of get more and more comfortable. But this is really good for listening. So make sure you pay attention to all of that. And then you're going to continue working on your Vista homework that is due on Friday. Okay, Senora Cocoli also posted some great videos for you to know in case you have any questions about Vista. You can see her videos explaining what to do with the Vista. And I will be on Teams, so you can always just go back to the team meeting if you need me, or text me. I'm so sorry, yesterday I was really tired. And I forgot to check my voice, my Google Voice, and I don't know what I was thinking. I had a bunch of messages after. I do recommend that you use something else other than Edmodo to text me or email me because Edmodo is so slow and it doesn't send me notifications on time, so I have to reload the page constantly. So using the link for Teams or using the Google Voice would be the easiest thing to do. All right, chicos, let me know if you have any questions, and hasta luego. Adiós.